one won't be issued. For where?
No idea.
Oh, that's for me. Why not? It's WWG3 doubleheader.
70 miles, county in West Northern Indiana County in West Central Pennsylvania, Southwestern Jefferson, Pennsylvania County.
They already issued an SVR for Jefferson.
Until 1:45 p.m. At 12:48 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line from Overshan or Northview to Overplum, or along the line from near Butler to near Penn Hills, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Penn Hills, Monroeville, Indiana, Butler, Punxsutawney, Clarion, Vandergrift, Katanning, Brookville, Apollo, Reimersburg, Plum, Murraysville, New Kensington, Lower Borough, Harrison Township, Homaker, Glendora, Arnold, Shanner, Northview, and Tarentum. Anyone outdoors should move to shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows.
Doubleheader.
These storms are capable of producing widespread damaging winds and large hail. A tornado watch remains in effect until portions of southwest and west central Pennsylvania.
Go. 2, 1, TOA.
Weather bulletin.
Bitch.
For the following counties in Pennsylvania: Beaver, Butler, and Lawrence.
Here they go. Oh, it's an SVA. Oh, wait. An SVR. Oh, God, no wonder why.
Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Carroll County in east central Ohio, Columbiana County in east central Ohio, eastern Harrison County in east central Ohio, Jefferson, Ohio County in east central Ohio, western Mercer County in northwestern Pennsylvania, western Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, western Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, Brooke County in northern West Virginia, Hancock County in northern West Virginia, until 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line from 28 miles northwest of Salem to near Cadiz, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Newcastle, Britain, Steubenville, Hermitage, Shallon, Salem, East Liverpool, Beaver Falls, Columbiana, East Palestine, Sharpsville, Wellsville, Cadiz, Carrollton, Wellsburg, New Brighton, Farrell, Toronto, Beaver, and Calcutta. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for portions of east central Ohio, Pennsylvania, and the northern panhandle of West Virginia. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Carroll and Columbiana, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Lawrence and Mercer. The urgent weather